Hi guys, it is Royal Amber Firefly here, and today we're going to be showing what you need in a first aid kit. I just want to point that it varies from person to person. It's always different. Today I'm actually going to show you what's inside mine. Again, this is all varied to each different person. You always want a bottle of ibuprofen. This is about a 50 tablet bottle. There's about a 200 in here. Hold on, just gotta reply to something real quick. There we go. There's that. Okay. And you always want some surgical masks and some gloves because you don't want to be touching any dirty shit. I got 2 things of waterproof tape, real good for bandages. You're gonna want my alcohol pads are all over the place. You can see they fell out of their package. Ah, shit. So you're gonna want a decent amount of these for disinfectant. I've got some roll bandages, some moist wipes, and some things of Neosporin, antibacterial, anti-itch, rash ointment, stings, that kind of stuff. I'll actually show you the 3 that I have. Some of them might be similar. God damn it. I got cold sores. I got triple antibiotic, Neosporin, and I got some more Neosporin there. It's really some of the same stuff, just in bigger tubes. And you're gonna want one of these. Comes equipped with a pair of scissors, nail file, clippers, and a cuticle pusher. And you're gonna want an assortment of bandages, waterproof if you can. I've got these ones. And I also have, you want different sizes, I'll show you in a minute. You want some flexible ones too, for those sports injuries. And then you're going to want some of these. And then after that, and I also have some, you're going to want some gauze pads too. I've got them in here somewhere. You're also going to want to keep some hand sanitizer in there too. So that's about it for that. I mean, sorry I couldn't go into really deep detail about it. Didn't really feel like pulling everything out, because it would just make a really big mess. And with as much stuff as I have in here, it'd be really a big pain in the ass to put it all back in. So anyways, guys, that was my first aid kit. And hopefully this was instructive. And I hope to see you guys on our next video. Peace.